Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to install Windows 11 but your PC says TPM 2.0 is missing, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to enable TPM 2.0 on an AFOX motherboard through BIOS, step by step. And if your system doesn't support TPM, I'll also guide you on how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB for unsupported PCs. Let's jump right in. First of all, enable TPM 2.0 on AFOX Motherboard. 1. Restart your PC. Immediately press the BIOS key as soon as the system boots. Common keys are Delete, F2, or sometimes Escape. Try Delete first. 2. Enter BIOS setup. 3. Navigate to the Advanced Settings. Use the arrow keys or mouse to go to the Advanced or Security tab. Look for TPM settings. The TPM setting might be listed as Trusted Computing, TPM Device Selection, Security Device Support, or Intel PTT for Intel CPUs, or AMD fTPM for AMD CPUs. 5. Enable TPM. Set Security Device Support to Enabled. If there's a TPM device selection option, choose PTT for Intel Platform Trust Technology or fTPM for AMD Firmware TPM. 6. Save and exit. Press F10 to save and exit. Confirm when prompted. 7. Boot into Windows and verify TPM. Press Win+R, type tpm.msc, press Enter. It should say TPM 2.0 is available and ready to use. Notes: make sure your CPU supports TPM 2.0. Intel 8th Gen and above and AMD Ryzen 2000 and above generally do. Some AFOX boards might use custom BIOS branding, so labels may differ. If TPM options aren't visible, consider updating your BIOS to the latest version from the AFOX support website. If your computer doesn't have TPM 2.0, or you can't find it, or if your Intel processor is older than the supported generation, or your AMD Ryzen CPU is older than the 2000 series, then here's how you can create a Windows 11 bootable USB media. Let's get started. First, we need to download the Windows 11 ISO file from the official Microsoft site. So open a web browser and visit the official site. If you can't find the link, check the video description box. The link will be provided there. You can copy and paste it into your browser to visit the site directly. Next, scroll down the page. From there, select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for x64 devices. Then click the Confirm button. Now choose your product language. Click Confirm again. After that, click the 64-bit download button. Now save the file. The official Windows 11 ISO file will start downloading. Once the ISO file has finished downloading, we need to download the Rufus software to create the USB bootable media. The link is also in the video description. Just copy and paste it to visit the website. Next, scroll down the page. Download the file you need. Save the file. Now, all the required files have been successfully downloaded. Now, plug in your USB drive, 8 GB minimum. Run Rufus. Rufus will auto-detect the USB drive if not selected the USB drive from the device list. Click on Select and choose the downloaded Windows 11 ISO file, or you can drag and drop the ISO file just like I am doing. Select Partition Scheme. Choose GPT if your PC uses UEFI. Most PCs from 2012 onward. Secure Boot or UEFI mode is enabled in BIOS. Choose MBR if your PC uses Legacy BIOS or CSM mode. It's an older or unsupported PC, example before 2012. If not sure which one, enter BIOS or UEFI during boot, F2, delete, or escape. Look for boot mode. If it says UEFI, use GPT. If it says Legacy or CSM, use MBR. For most unsupported or old PCs, MBR is the safest choice. Volume label, you can name it anything. Click Start. Now, Rufus will prompt with the Windows User Experience window. Check these options. These options will allow you to install Windows 11 on older or unsupported PCs. Click OK. Confirm the warning. All USB data will be erased. Rufus will now create the bootable USB with modified Windows 11 install parameters. Now, our bootable Windows 11 USB is created successfully. And here it is. Insert the USB into the target PC. Enter BIOS or UEFI, usually press F2, F10, F12, escape, or delete during boot. Change the boot order to boot from the USB. Start installing Windows 11 without TPM or Secure Boot or RAM requirements. If installation still fails, double-check BIOS settings, disable Secure Boot, enable CSM or Legacy mode if needed. And that's it! Whether you're enabling TPM 2.0 or installing Windows 11 on an unsupported PC, you're now good to go. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials, PC tips, and troubleshooting guides. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'm happy to help.